Welcome to my channel. English Learn Kids.
Head. This is a head. Hair. This is a hair. Face. This is a face. Nose. This is a nose. Ear. This is a ear. Eye. This is eye. Mouth. This is a mouth. Chin. This is a chin. Teeth. This is a teeth. Neck. This is a neck. Lips. This is a lips. Arm. This is arm. Elbow. This is a elbow. Wrist. This is a wrist. Finger. This is a finger. Thumb. This is a thumb. Palm. This is a palm. Hand. This is a hand. Chest. This is a chest. Shoulder. This is a shoulder. Leg. This is a leg. Heel. This is a heel. Knee. This is a knee. Foot. This is a foot. Armpit. This is a armpit. Ankle. This is a ankle. Waist. This is a waist. Nostrils. This is a nostrils. Toe. This is a toe. Calf. This is a calf. Forehead. This is a forehead. Cheeks. This is a cheeks. Gums. This is a gums. Tongue. This is a tongue. Pupil. This is a pupil. Nail. This is a nail. Eyebrow. This is an eyebrow. Kidney. This is a kidney. Lungs. This is a lungs. Liver. This is a liver. Ribs. This is a ribs. Stomach. This is a stomach. Heart. This is a heart. Brain. This is a brain. Intestine. This is an intestine. Pancreas. This is a pancreas. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.